Everald Warmington at it again. Another female reporter on the end of his aggression.
Why don't you leave me the hell alone?
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Southwest St. Catherine Member of Parliament, the Jamaica Labour Party's Everald Warmington, has again displayed what some may consider uncouth behaviour towards a member of the media, this time a female journalist from Business Access TV. Warmington earlier this week unleashed an earful on the Business Access TV reporter, Sashana Small, during a truncated telephone call, a recording of which has been circulating online. Warmington is the Minister of State in the Office of the Prime Minister, with responsibility for the works portfolio. It was in that capacity that Small called to ask him about the government's position as it relates to ongoing strike action by workers on two major road improvement projects, the Agley Park Road 3 miles project and the Mandela Highway. Both are being undertaken by China Harbour Engineering Company Czech, and both have pressing deadlines. But no sooner had Small identified herself and posed her question that Warmington snapped. He cut her off while shouting, "Ma'am, don't call me and ask me any damn nonsense."
Hello.
Hello, good afternoon, Mr. Warmington.
Yes, ma'am.
My name is Sashana Small. I'm calling from BATV.
From what?
From Business Access TV.
Yes.
Yes, I'm calling to get a response from you re the strike that's happening. It's still on.
Ma'am, don't call me out saying that damn nonsense. If there's a strike, you speak to contractor and worker. Don't call me as a minister and say damn nonsense, ma'am.
He wants the government to intervene and you're the Minister of Work.
The government employee. Don't call me on my phone. Get off my phone.
That kind of behavior is not unusual of Warmington, particularly towards females. In 2011, when it was revealed that he was a United States citizen and was therefore ineligible to sit in the nation's parliament, Warmington told CVM News anchor Curlin Brown to go to hell during a live television interview.
Excuse me? Go to hell.
Her apparent crime was that she had dared to ask him if he thought it was unethical for him to sit in the parliament for more than 3 years, knowing that he had held dual citizenship, which was unconstitutional.
Sir, the nation is listening. You're saying not unethical. What other word would you use? Excuse me? The nation is listening, sir, and you were angry that we actually said unethical. Go to hell. The nation has heard you, sir.
Warmington's boorish behavior is frequently on display in the House of Representatives, but he took it to the streets again in August of 2015, when he flipped the bird on a group of media personnel and supporters of the Jamaica Labour Party at the party's Belmont Road headquarters in St. Andrew, while wearing a neck brace. He had objected to his picture being taken and held his middle finger up for all to see for an extended period. That incident came mere days after he was forced to apologize to a young newspaper intern, a female, on whom he had unloaded an expletive-laden tirade, also at Belmont Road, as she attempted to cover an important meeting of the party's caucus. In his so-called apology then, Warmington claimed he was not feeling well.
I was in a very dredgy state, pain, because the machine caused a lot of pain itself, and the machine have a lot of pain also, so on the basis of that. So I apologize to her and to you also, sir, most sincerely, for any disrespect or inconvenience that I caused. I don't normally apologize for anything, but I believe I need to. Having gotten nobody feeling the machine and everything, I'm back to myself. I think I apologize most sincerely. And where she's concerned, I don't give interview to the press, but I'm prepared to make a private interview and photograph and tell you what. But I apologize most sincerely.
Mr. Warmington, however, was not finished, as on January 19, 2016, during a sitting of the House of Representatives, he called Lisa Anna a Jezebel. Warmington later agreed to withdraw the remarks on the invitation of the Speaker of the House.
Mr. Warmington.
Mr. Speaker, it really is unfortunate that...
You called a member of this House Jezebel. I'm asking that you retract that.
Mr. Speaker, I withdraw that word, but allow me to read the sentence.
Can somebody please tell me why we continue to vote for people like these? Ah, boy.
Why don't you leave me the hell alone?
Mr. Warmington, go to hell.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.